can use our optional steel base to secure your umbrella. Start off by pushing the 3 metal legs down. You may use your foot to help push the legs down. As you are pushing down, make sure the locking pin is rotated up and not blocking the legs from moving down. Once the legs are even with the ground, place your foot on one leg and pull up on the middle pole. This will unfold the legs more and let you move the locking pin into place as shown. Now, tighten the screw by turning it clockwise. Next, grab the umbrella's bottom pole. Align the pole's closed end to the steel base and insert the pole to your desired height. Turn the base's upper screw clockwise until the pole is secured to the steel base. Remove your umbrella from the carrying bag. To place the umbrella on the bottom pole, align the 2 spring buttons on the umbrella's pole with the 2 cutouts on the bottom pole. Gently place the umbrella into the top of the pole and push the 2 pins in as you push down on the umbrella. The umbrella will be locked into place once the 2 spring buttons pop out of the 2 holes as shown. To open the umbrella, rotate the crank counterclockwise. It might take 1 or 2 rotations for the umbrella to start opening up. When it is opened fully, the tension will be at its maximum and will be difficult to rotate the handle. This is when you should stop turning the handle. You may choose to tilt the angle of the umbrella with the tilt device. Please note that our 9.8 size option cannot be tilted. We recommend using a step stool to access this area if you cannot reach it comfortably. Push the metal release button in and tilt the top of the umbrella to one side. If you want to tilt it to the other side, press the button in again and hold it in as you move the top of the umbrella to the other side. To straighten the umbrella, press the release button in and start moving the umbrella back up. Right before it is straight, release the button and the umbrella will lock into place once it is fully upright. Your umbrella is now set up.